Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning to all of you present out here in this live streaming. I am your host, your live streaming analyst for today. We will be analyzing as Nifty is consolidating today above 24,600. We will be analyzing what it holds for the market and what it holds for our stocks as well, where our stocks are stuck, whether all will be getting out soon and be entering into the new updates, right? So, for understanding all of the things, you have to be here and let us start. For those who don't know me, my name is Aditya. I am your live streaming analyst for today. Like I have a trading journey of from last 7 years, and in my professional journey, I have managed more than 100 crores of rupees for my clients and have generated tremendous wealth for them. Tremendous wealth means even many of my recommendations are there, still we are holding that, which have given you with the return of 15 to 20 times of returns, like 1500 times, 1500 percentage to 2000 percentage of returns they have provided to you. So what are my methods that I am getting all of these so much big returns in the stocks? It all comes down to a point. We analyze we analyze each and everything, all the fundamental aspects of a stock, also go for technicals. For long term investment, fundamental aspects are important, management aspects are important, right? By analyzing all the fundamental aspects, what we do in the fundamental aspects, right? We start with the company briefing, who is the owner of the company, what are their purposes to establish this business, right? What are their purposes and how they are doing in their life, what was their background, and why this company has been generated, and what are its impact on Indian market. After that, we go for financial statement analysis, in which we analyze the income statement, right? Where the revenue is doing or not, whether the revenue is doing good or not, or whether the net income is increasing or not. So we go for that too. And for balance sheet analysis, we go for all the statements, we look into the liabilities, we look at the expenses, where it is spending, where the balance it is holding, like what are the assets it has. So these are the aspects we look for. And at last, we also look for cash flow statement as well. In cash flow statement, usually we look how what is the profit generating capacity of a company and how it is holding the cash flow. Right? For continuous running of a business, cash flow is very important. Cash flow plays a very important role, where you will be able to understand the cash flow concept and why cash flow is important. After that, we go for the industry analysis and the peer analysis. What we do in the industry analysis, we look after the aspects of all the things of industry. We look into the industry, what the industry is doing, how the macroeconomic perspective, from the macroeconomic perspective, will the industry grow or not, and what are its growing perspective, right? So these are the things we have to look. And from peer analysis, we come to know how it is performing among its peers, right? What are its performances, what are the performance which is driving its peers and coming to look. So as of now, our stock has opened, right? Stock market is running, and doesn't stops for anyone, right? It doesn't stops for anyone. So we have to look what are the performances our watch list is doing, and what we have in our watch list. So as you know, yesterday we have deducted two stocks from our watch list, right, which have achieved the target, and now currently we have Poonawalla in our watch list. As you can see, Poonawalla has increased 2.52% today. We will just go through and understand why it is increasing today, right? and RBL Bank is around 177.50. Aventel is around 0.74%. Dev Plastic Industries is a positive 1.47 percentage. Hindustan Oil Exploration is 0.83% negative for today. IP rings, if we do, it is positive 2.17%. Arkit Ply Industry, it is positive by 1.87%. So these are the things which we have done now. Annapurna Swati is negative for today. So overall, if we see market, our holdings which we have is positive, is doing really well. So, what do you understand by these terms that our stocks are performing well, right? Even if the analyst rating doesn't have any view on that, still our stock is performing really well. So, these are the things which we have to look where our stock is performing, right? I will just manage this that it's mouse is not working. I will just come and look into it.